दोस्तों, आज हम देखेंगे कि MySQL को अपने लैपटॉप में कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं। तो जुड़े रहिए इस वीडियो के साथ और देखते रहिए पूरा इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसेस।
We are search MySQL on Google, and then we got a official website of MySQL. Then we click on MySQL download. This is a MySQL installer, and we click on it. And now we got two options. We are choose the sign up option, and we see what happen. So page is loading. So friends, here we got a page, there the name, email and everything. We have to register for Oracle account, but for this situation I have already the Oracle account, so I am directly logging in Oracle account. So we see it. So this is a login, and this is a page loaded, and I type all the username and password. After login we got the downloaded file. So this will take time. This is some information we have to fill up before downloading. So first is industry. And we need to fill captcha also. So let's see after the submission. So captcha is wrong, we need to fill it again. So this we need to fill the captcha. So finally we got the page where we are going to download, and when we are clicking on download button, I think page is loading slowly, so it will take some time. So I think it is downloaded, and I am double click on the exe file. Here the installation windows come, so we have to choose the correct option what we have to require here. So it is under process, we click on next, and the next page is loaded. There will be some packages, so we have to select any one of the package, and we can select all the package also, so it will take some time. And there is some error related to network, I think. So I am trying to select it again. So it will ask some permissions, I think. Installation, so we click on it and install. So it is completed. We think we have to select one more thing. So why we are getting this error? Okay, I think this is because of the network issue. So this is the packages there. So this is the detail for installation of remaining files. So I am click on try again and install everything. I think this has happened because of the network, so nothing to bother about it. It will take definitely some time because of the downloading. So some packages is downloaded because the some files and some of the packages is under process. So this is, I clicked on all the packages to download. It is downloaded. Because of the network is slow, it will definitely take 10 minutes, I think. So it is downloading very slowly. I think might be it is more MBs. So we have to wait to complete it. So I think it is already takes 10 minutes. We have to wait a minute for it. To be downloading complete. So MySQL installation is very easy, and we have to go to the Google, and we have to sign up in Google, sorry, in Oracle, and we got the downloaded exe installer, and then we have to click on it, and we have to open the window, installation window, and this is a very easy process. I give the detail because some of the peoples are not understanding how to install MySQL in our laptop. So we are waiting to complete the downloading. And in the next video I'm going to tell how to create a table, what is the functionality we have in MySQL, and what is the features of MySQL. So we are discussing this all things in the next video. So I'm uh, thinking you are all will definitely watch the next video. And we are planning to give all the details in Hindi and English both. So it is this is the only depend upon the users, which is viewers which are viewing your content, and you should have to give the comment also if you need some enhancement and some improvement. So please give us your comment. So this is completing the downloading process. Now we got next window. So this is the window. We are going to select the next option for installation process. And here I need to give the password for the MySQL schema. There is a schema inside the MySQL. Schema is the collection of the data in the sense collection of the all the uh, superset of all the data inside the MySQL. So we have to give the password for it before. If we want to log in, so we need to give this username and password. So this is the option. I think this is the last step of installation. So this is the window for testing our MySQL application. So this is like we if we want, we can log in MySQL and check it, and we can try here also. So if it is work, then it's fine. So this is the password, but I think it getting fail. Uh, the another option to check your database, you can directly go and run the application. So I try again. Might be there the database is not started, I think. Here we can check in the below of the window. There is my SQL application is running, and so test is getting fail, but we can use command prompt for login. So here we going the path where it is installed, MySQL is installed, and directly get that path. So after getting the path, we use command prompt means CMD for login, and we can test that our schema also. MySQL. So we can go up to bin and open our command prompt and type there the complete string. Then we can type MySQL dash u, then username, root, then we can type p and then password, and then we can I think we no need to type password. So we can see we remove the password and we can done it. So this is the MySQL window command prompt, which is so we can test our data, MySQL data. So we can type show database. We got the data.
Please subscribe my channel.